For me, working at B2Pia feels safe and comfortable. It's a place where you can speak openly, learn freely, and grow confidently.
Being part of B2Pia feels empowering. From day one, I feel trusted, not just to do my job, but to think, contribute, and grow.
As an employee of B2Pia has helped me to grow not only as a professional but also as a person.
Here, growth is real. Your responsibilities increase as your confidence grows, and that makes you feel valued as a professional.
The environment is respectful and inclusive. That makes a huge difference in how motivated you feel every day.
For me, B2Pia is a place where effort is noticed and growth feels personal, not forced.
Here, I don't just grow professionally, I feel supported as a person, and that's what makes B2Pia special to me.
আজকে পহেলা জানুয়ারি 2026 সাল নতুন একটা বছর শুরু হয়ে গেল। আজকের এই দিনে বিটিপিআর পরিবারের পক্ষ থেকে আপনি এবং আপনার পরিবারের সকল সদস্যের জন্য হেলদি এবং হ্যাপি লাইফ কামনা করছি। হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়ার।